What would life look like if you stopped fighting? If you stopped attacking, pushing, and feeling like you have to beat something? You get healthy by getting healthy, not by fighting, attacking, and trying to beat an illness. If you focus on your health, it will help you. And the way you do it matters. Is it coming from a place of love and ease, or is it coming from a place of fear or fight? I'm not saying you don't need to be committed. I am not saying you don't have to do the work. But what I am saying is how you go about it matters. How would it feel if you didn't have to prove anything? Didn't have to fight or beat anything? And simply you just focused on your health and well-being? How would that be for you? Now, hopefully, that was pretty profound for you. Some of you listening to this might be going, yeah, I'm already doing that. That's great. Now you just need to tell me what to actually do and I'll do it. But for a lot of you, you might not even realize it, but how you are going about your life might not be the most useful way to go about it. And it's not your fault. I've said this before, but really the system has let you down. If you're feeling desperate, if you're feeling like a warrior, there's a lot of stuff on Instagram like the CFS warriors and the fibromyalgia warriors, and that's totally fine if it's working for you. But what I'm saying is what you're going through isn't easy, right? I get it. It's really, really hard. But if you're coming from a place of like, I'm a warrior and I need to beat this thing and we're going to stick together, it's coming from a place of lack, and it's coming from a place of almost desperation and, emptiness. It's a very surface level conversation, and it keeps you stuck because we know that you don't need any more stress than you've already got right now. But if we're coming from that stress state, then what we do doesn't really help us with where we want to go.